Ayan mga kaibigan. Oh. Pati Amerikano, nagdala ng ring house. So, binangkal.
Binangkal.
Oh, shout out. Shout out ma'am.
Out. Taga Valencia, Malay-Balay, Silingan.
Hello. Shout out. Oh, Amerikano. Hindi lang talaga Pinoy, ma'am, no?
Natakda na gito.
Oh. Hindi lang Pinoy ang nag-bring house. Tingnan mo nga naman sila. Oh, dubli-dubli din sa kanila, no? Oh, hindi lang po tayo. Ikaw, ma'am, yan ang sayo, ma'am. Nag-diet ito si ma'am, ay. Si ma'am nagda-diet. So ngayon, ay, sorry, ma'am. Ngayon, tana, ma'am. Ito si ma'am. Taga ka, ma'am?
Lami kayo na ang binangkal.
Magwa ko ani kay paborito ni sa Amerikano.
Lami ang binangkal ba?
Binangkal.
Asa man sunan?
Binangkal. Binangkal, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ngayon po anak, ma'am. Tinapay. Okay. Gustos doon, Julio. Para sa mga anak natin.
Oh, come on.
Come on, Joe. You're watching me.
Cotton act,
I cannot concentrate.
Tawag nito. Turon, it's a banana. Sharon. Masarap siya. Masarap.
No.
Try it. Sorry.
Si ma'am.
Hi guys! Shout out sa Tagapon.
Si sir. Say hi.
Hi!
Ayan si sir.
Shout out.
Ah.
Kain na turon. Panangkal.
Ang Amerikano. Tingnan mo ang Amerikano. Joe, where is your balot? Come on, Joe. Your balot, bring house.
Ring house.
Nakay plastic ya, ma'am?
Wala.
I mean,
Mangeta tagkuan di?
mangita tag plastic kay sudlan ako. Mangalkal ta diri. Ay, salamat nakaringin. Nakakita na ko dito ng holbot na ko, oy. Kanya-kanya ng holbot ito, mga kaibigan.
Allah, bring house, bring house.
Bring house mo diyan.
Bring house mo diyan.
Ayaw ko, chef. What, John? Get your favorite. Because they're gonna be much better tomorrow. They're gonna be more yummy tomorrow.
Yep.
Oh, look. I'm gonna get some fruits. Fruits. Alright, I'm gonna put my stuff Joe is a very good friend. He's a very good friend, mga kaibigan. Juk-jukan lang namin yan. Mabait yan, mabait. Yung mga Amerikano dito, parang Pinoy na din yan, mababait. Juk-jukan lang natin. Magdala tayo ng prutas kay masarap to, prutas. Prutas. Ma'am, lagay ko muna dito, mama.
Yes, no worries. Oh my goodness.
Ma'am.
I was too late for the steak. You grabbed the steak? You tried it? You didn't see it? You look over there? Oh, you
Ma'am, pwede pa ka-aswat, ma'am, ako sa libutan. Utang sa ibabaw. Mukha ko. Thank you, ma'am.
That's a lot of people. You famous.
No, she is famous. She's famous.
Say hi to the Philippines. Say hi to our friends in the Philippines.
Hi guys.
Here's Jojo
How
friend.
you guys doing?
Hi. We're having a food. Oh, you like, that's binangkal.
See, what is it?
There's sesame seeds and there is it's a flour.
Hello to all the Philippines. Well, hold on, get me in.
Hi to the Philippines. It's Jojo Brothers. Hi.
Oh yeah, we doing viral. Shout out to all the beautiful women over there.
Thank you. Yeah, Filipino are beautiful.
Yeah, you guys are beautiful.
Jojo's
my God.
Brothers.
Yeah, that's good. Ooh.
You want anything here? Okay, kuha sa kong fruits. Get some fruits. Nanay. Hello mga kaibigan. Pamig ko ano? Prutas. Ate Sally, this is yours. You're gonna sit here. Somebody will pick it.
You tried to take it.
No.
Yes, you did.
You never know. If you didn't touch me, it's gonna be in my bag. Okay. Now I'm gonna get mga kaibigan, oh, ang dami dito, pati mga Amerikano, oh. Ayan. Ayan. Tingnan mo dito, layhan mo doon, oh. Ayan, nag-pista. So ilagay ko dito ang aking supot. Okay. Ilagay ko dyan. Oy, ma'am! Ingat, ma'am! Okay, ma'am. O, si ma'am, oh. Si ma'am. Sige. Unsa man ka diya? Oh, lahat dito. Bye! Nice to meet you, ma'am. Ano sila? Unsa man nato din. O, di ka ano? Unsa man nato din. Ay, more binangkal. Ate! Uy, wa na'y barbecue. Wa na'y kuan. Pakog humba. Ate! Day, wa ka na kuan? Okay. Humba ako, mga kaibigan. Kay, murag mao naman ay humba bilin. Sabaw na lang. Masarap sana sa humba. Oh, that's okay. Ma'am, unsa man? Okay ra di, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, ikaw, sir.
Oh, okay lang. Shout out sa mga taga Sambuanga.
Okay na din. Mga taga-Tambo. City later.
Okay ra man ipotos.
Na-reveal ng gender.
Meron kaming ano.
Ang dami, mami.
Oh, unsa man bringan nato di, ma'am? Tingnan mo mga Amerikano, oh. Ang mga Amerikano. Kana kay masarap na bukas.
Let me see.
Hi.
Hey. Oh, you got a lot of
Hi,
people
sir.
on there.
Yeah, it's morning there.
Oh, it's morning.
Morning in the Philippines.
Hey. Oh, so it's morning and it's night here. So when it's morning here, it's night over there.
Yes.
Oh, hello guys.
So they're all awake.
Do you guys have any bags? Like any bags? More?
I'm not sure.
None of those bags. Oh yeah, I need one of those.
Do you have my extra knife?
More?
Ito.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wala na yung humba. Ano na lang? Oh, turon. Oh, sige. Oh, sa'yo na yan. Okay na ko. Maghana. Sir. Ano, sir? Kaon sa sir kayo. Nag-imsira ba ka, sir?
Mga
taga-Tacloban
City later.
Nag-host ba yan si sir? Kaya kailangan talaga.
Taga Sambuanga City, hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello, dami sana. Charot.
Taga San Jose Central.
Ano man kayo dyan?
Thank you.
Oh. Kana. Oh, sir. Sige.
Mga fans ni Daruning. Nako the ring.
Oh, good morning. Oh, sige. Ay, ang akong torta di. Ay, ano sa'yo dyan, te?
Ito, may gusto ako.
Oh, yummy. Good. Very good, very good. Oh, rice. You love rice?
My first time trying it, so I like it so far. Yeah, I like it so far though.
Yeah, rice is life for all the Filipinos. Oh, you wanna take picture with me? Sure. Okay, take a picture with Mr. Joe. Okay.
Thank you, dear.
Oh, you're welcome.
I got Joy's phone. I think she's ready to go.
Oh,
That's why I was
oh,
telling you.
good to see you, Joe. You take care,
Nice
okay?
seeing you too, dear.
We'll see you again.
Yeah,
All
that was
right.
very good.
Okay, drive safe. We're gonna go soon also.
Yeah.
Ate, ate, the torta, ate, ha. Don't forget the torta, ate.
Make sure you eat tonight. Make sure you eat tonight. Don't forget.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be so good tomorrow. Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, it's so good. You should be here in the party, Filipino party. I never see you.
Oh, you gonna see me again? You will see me again. I'm gonna make sure.
Before, I didn't see you.
No.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna find Joe. I'm gonna make sure that.
Yeah.
Your name?
Rona.
Yeah.
You're Joe brother, right? Yep.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Dali sa muna. Picture muna mga grupo.
Picture muna. Picture.
Kaninong sa yung camera? Dali lang din.
Picture muna.
Sige, picture.
Saan ba? Akin kete. Ay, hindi siya kasya sa simaw. Oh, sir, alis, sir. Wala ka, natabunan ka, sir. Ay, hindi siya makita. One, two. Akin, te. One more. One, two, three. Okay. Akin, te. Ako, te, para may copy ako sa kanya, te. Okay. Palay-layo bang tayo?
Baka nakikain.
Oh, nakikain, okay. Open.
Baka nakikain lang.
Anong kamera dito? Ayan mo na kay ano.
Yan ako muna.
Ayan mo na, isa-isa lang. Kainda yan. Daka? 1, 2, 3.
Ito.
Okay.
Yan ang bukas.
Take care there.
Ito pagka puro paho yan.
1, 2, 3. One more. Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you, sir. Ma'am, nice to meet you, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Drive safe going to Fort Lauderdale. Sir, nice to meet you. Ma'am, nice to meet you, ma'am. Ingat, ma'am. Ayan si ma'am. O, taga dito lang naman. Ay, hindi to akin. Ayan si ma'am. Asa na yung akin? Ate, yung... Te, yung torta, te, ha? Torta. Oh. Wow, nako. Kunin mo yung torta. Torta.
Oh, may dadaanan pa sila.
Ah.
Thank you for... Okay. Susunduin pa nilang asawa niya eh.
Okay.
Asan yung mga bag ko dito? Baka din tinangay na yung bag ko.
Anong bag mo? Ano ito eh?
No, nandyan. Oh, okay na. No, this is good. This is good. One is good. Okay. Oh, no, masarap. Mahal, sarap. Nagkataon ako. Nagkaon ako. Oh, ingon si ko ani mo bana.
Niligay siya.
Siya nag-promote sa Siyang nag-promote sa imong kuan. O sige. O sige mga kaibigan, mga mababait yung mga Amerikano dito. Sobrang bait yung mga Kano. Okay, wala lang tayo ka tindugan. Oops, oops. Ah!
Picture mo na to, Nay. Alis na kami.
Oh, manglayas na? Oh, tika. Tika, pahimutan.
Joy!
O sige. Kay asikasuhon sa nako kung bring homes.
Kami din.
O sige.
Mga nag-aagawan sa balot. Dami siya.
Dami. Ah. Ano yung ano ko dito? Mga ano to mga Ay, kanino yan? Kanino to? Lagay ko lang dito ha. Pwede naman to hugasan. Ay, ala. Nga naman, nayabot. Hugasan mo naman yan, te. Di ba? Hugasan. Hugasan. Sige, sige.
Sige.
Okay.
Hindi ron eh.
Apel. Sige.
Okay.
Tagay lang ko ng mga picture, ha?
Yes.
Unsa pa may ako dire? What else? Oh my goodness, looks like nobody's getting. There's more pizza. There's more everything. Oh, CJ will like this one. I'm gonna grab I'm gonna grab the turon because CJ like. Oh. Ingat kayo, Jen. Si Mama, kailan uuwi? Okay. We'll see you again. Oh, bye, sir. Ingat, sir. Thank you for hosting, sir. Sir, see you again.
Opo, see you again.
Take care, sir. Take care. I'm gonna bring this, Kani, makalimtan na po na ni Ate Fern iyahang prutas. Magdala tag turon kay gusto ni CJ. You want turon?
Luto ako.
Okay.
Ako ang kuan. Aray.
Lami na kinapati.
Lagi niya kay daghan naman gigaday.
Yeah. Piliin mo lang ti anong ano. Okay, so meron kang extra plastic tayo?
Wala ginay kung sa daghan man na sa gagang plastic. I don't know sa man na niya.
Yes. Sa kanya ka na sumama, mag-over ka na lang sa sunrise din siya. Ato sa sobra siya. Ilagay plan ka na lang sa sunrise para malapit siya mas ano.
Okay. Walang plastic dai.
Wala, Mati.
Para tayo ang plastic mama.
Yeah, minsan marami yung ano siya eh. Walay plastic si Mama.
Marami ang plastic si Gaga.
Thank you, te. Thank you.
Hey, don't be touching my stuff again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God, look at us.
Okay.
Ay, picture naman. What? Take a picture.
Picture?
You need other die.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go picture.
Let's go.
Okay, picture. Picture group. Ate, is it? Okay ra ka diha? Dalhin ko sa ni sa car. Yes.
Bye, y'all. Remember, oh my God! Make sure you eat dinner, okay?
Yeah. Kids in the house. Yeah. 2 kids in the house. Treats.
Yes.
Yeah, treats.
Yes.
Turon. Very good. Okay. I come back, ate. Ate, I come back. Salamat, ate. Salamat. No. I safety at first.
Yeah, that's why she said
I safety at first. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back.
Drive careful, dear.
I'm not leaving yet.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
No, not
pushing
yet.
You like Maria.
Not yet, okay? We still have time. It's not dark yet, okay?
Okay.
Oh, magpicture sa ilagay ko muna to sa kotse, baka damputin ng iba. Bibo, nako mga kaibigan, bibo yan dito. Enjoy lang tayo, oy, life is short. Enjoy lang ta, enjoy lang. Tawa-tawa lang, walang seryoso dito. Walang serious. Smile lang ta. Happy. Nagdala ko ng snack sa mga bolele, turon, and prutas. Kasi mahilig sila sa fruits. Kaya, yan. Tapos, ano pa ba? Binangkal, yes. Mabait yung mga Amerikano dito mga kaibigan. Ako, sobrang bait yan. Lalo na yung mga kapatid ni kapatid sa magiging yung in-law ni Ate Gaga, sobrang bait. Mga bait na mga bata. Okay, tayo picture sa amin dito mga kaibigan ha. Babay muna. Oh, that's Joe's truck. Wow. You get a hold the bring house, Joe. You have a lot of space.
Yeah, right?
Nanay! From Bicol. Take care, Nay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ayun. Joe, you have a lot of hole in here, Joe. You have more space.
Yeah. Well, you know what?
Oh,
When
I'm
I
gonna go there now because they're taking picture.
Oh.
I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, wait. Okay.